everybody, All Pro Exterior Services here. Got the beauty out, rig, hooked up the water already. We had another annual. So this should go around. We're gonna do the driveway and the whole house. Not a problem, being efficient. Tony's on property protection. I've already hooked up water. Just got here. Met with the customer, let them know we were here. And we're gonna go and spray it. Now this one, if you remember, there's no entry to the back, so we gotta put the gun over. Then I walk around the property here and it's all in the back, so not a big deal. One thing I do is grab my remote. But today's my wife's birthday. I don't think she watches my channel, but if she does, happy birthday. Anyway, guys, I gotta cut out. We're gonna try to dip out early just so I can, you know, take care of her. There's Anthony. You got it all done, Tony? All right. So we got good water flow. I'm gonna go ahead and get started here and roll with it. So we got new concrete. I don't know if you can tell here on the sidewalk. They put this new concrete in. We're not gonna do that. We're gonna do this, and we're gonna do something I do, including all my services, is the curbing. Because how would it look with a clean driveway, ugly curbing? Doesn't make sense. So Anthony's finishing it up. We're gonna go ahead and let some water build up, and I'm gonna pull a red hose in the back. Anthony crank the machine, I get rolling. And today we're gonna be using, let's get the settings. Okay, ball valve all the way open for water. Soap's on 5. Bleach is on right about 3.5. And soap is on the right one here. And I'm guessing on bleach, let me see. I guess about 33, 34 gallons behind the black metal here. So yeah, it's probably about 34 gallons. So anyway, all right, let me get rolled up. Peace. All right, guys, got another Japanese maple here. I just turned the soap on, so we should be getting soap here. So what I do with these Japanese maples is I go ahead and wet them really good, and then I soap around them first, and that way it's there you go, we got soap. Alright, guys and girls, on the back of the house. Again, it's not rocket science here. We're just spraying a little Kim. Waiting on the soap. Just hit the button. Remember, we got a little bit of weight here. So you got to time it right. I mean, I see a lot of people on the internet complaining, well, yeah, soap takes too long to draw. And well, I think if you timed it better, it wouldn't be such a big deal. You know what I mean? Like, of course, if something don't work for some people out of the box and to their expectation, they just don't get it, you know, whatever, I get it. Front of the property. Tony's halfway done with the surface cleaning just because of the water. So I'm gonna just go ahead and wet some of these bushes down a little bit. all done. Been here about 45 minutes. Excuse me. Got the driveway done, post treated, house done. Trailer's wrapped up except for the garden hose. Let's go check the bleach. So it was right at 34, 33, so we're at 29. So about 4 or 5 gallons of bleach. Not too shabby. All right, we'll catch up with you on a rebound. That's how we do it. All pro. Peace. What's up, everybody? All Pro Exterior Services here again. This is a little commercial job we landed in a higher end neighborhood, which we do a lot of washing. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to knock this out so I can get to the birthday girl. Got some nice little eaves up here, got the wind a little bit. We're gonna try to do it tomorrow. The problem is the 20-mile-an-hour winds, but I need to take off. We need to take off. So anyway, here it is. Ain't too bad. It's like a big house. So we're gonna go ahead and roll it, catch it up. Catch up with you in a minute. Peace. One thing I noticed, I forgot I had this in my line. Maybe that's a water restriction, but this piece here, it's a little wide because I had that 10-foot hose, but we never used it. So let me check something. Oh yeah, you see how narrow that gets right here? Oh yeah. We should get a huge improvement on flow. I'll put that at the house. That's really junk. So we got it connected straight. All right, we're gonna get rolling here. Catch up with you in a minute. Peace. Notice the buckling here in the hardy board. Whoever did this job right here. What we're gonna do? We're gonna do a little quick test spot. I want to make sure this chem don't react to this green. So we'll go ahead and hit soap on and make sure we don't get a reaction before we start the washing. So we should be able to squirt this pretty quick. Just gonna do a little test spot. And you should know on a reaction, this is a seafoam green, very popular color nowadays, but we should see pretty soon a reaction, if there is going to be one. So now we got soap. So I'll just wash it right here. Okay. We'll turn the soap off. Let that marinate. Like I said, from my experience, it 30 seconds it starts to turn to a minute max. It don't look like we're getting any turning here. But we're gonna make sure. We got the rig rolling. Everything's good. We had a blowout the other day. And, well, not a blowout, it was a nail. But anyway, I went to put the spare tire on. And the brand new spare tire was a different lug pattern. It's 6 lug and we got a 5 lug. So we had to do a quick McJimmy, get out of a bind. All right. So I don't see no change in here. Nothing. You can hit it over here just to make sure. So no changing. And then what we're going to do, we're going to start on the other side, hit the front, or hit the other side in the back, and then start here and go back to the front so that we can roll up our hose right here. Oh, can't hardly see here. All right. Get the windows good and get all the little creases really good. Nothing. I already did. See? Work it really good. This is where the AR shines. You put out some volume here, baby. Using that white line as a guideline. Just need a nice little easy coat. Little tight area here. It's alright. All pros will get it. All pros will get it. Yep. ahead and turn this soap off too right away. Get that window really good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rinse at least the windows on this other side. Just do a nice light rinse. While this is marinating. Rinse it down, just in case we got a little overspray. We didn't do too bad today. Shooting out some volume, look at that. That thing is waterfalls down, look. Look at that. At the front of the building now, we did all three sides. We had one of the, I guess, employees or our owner came by and had to get something out, so we had to kind of shift around a little bit, but been here about 30 minutes. So we're going ahead and wetting our stuff down. Don't get excited. And we notice we got a wooden door. Yeah, we do. And we got to get this balcony. We have no way of getting up on there. And it's what I do with these stain doors is I hit them like this with some water, and then I wait on my soap. Remember, we got 45 seconds at least. So you can kind of use that once you get pretty good at it. And then we're just kind of running on this concrete right here. Water our roots on our cypress trees. We got a lot of cypress trees around here. Wait on soap. There we go. So we got soap. Remember, about 45 seconds. I need to put a timer on it. That's what I need to do. Not that I have a timer in my hand anyway, you know. Let's say we got water. Let's go ahead and put this down. So I'm gonna get in here and spray it. And spray this off immediately. Okay, let's spray it. Property protection's on it. Oh. Okay, we're golden. Just hit the windows real quick. Rinse this, will be done. About 45 minutes. Nice ticket. Nice ticket. All right, you ready, Tony? wrap up. Everything did well, as usual. Whoever built this is an all-pro. Got down to 25 gallons, so we didn't use too much at the last job, maybe 5 gallons. And we're good. So yeah, I took out that piece, so we're good there. I'm gonna take this hose off here because we don't never use it. I'm just gonna throw it in the garage. And the next thing I do plan to do is I wanna, let me show you guys. I wanna put me 2 bulkheads, soap dedicated for each, and then I'm contemplating on running a 3-way off of the output of the 12 volt, so I can just hit a switch, put a 3-way ball valve right there, hit a switch, turn, open a ball valve, I can fill up my soap tank, just like that, and then just add soap to it. So that's kind of cool because you can put your soap in as you're filling it and it don't foam up because the pipe will be feeding it toward the bottom. So we just did a rinse down on the trailer in the truck, cutting it short. Now for the birthday, I made it. But you see, we got beautiful skies and everything else, but got to take care of the birthday girl. And it's happy birthday if you're watching. All right. Please like, sub, call, comment. Peace.